In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the speed of your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you want slow motion, fast motion, or even reverse footage, this is the exact process you need to follow. It's superb simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import your video clip into the timeline. If you're new here, just drag your video from the project panel and drop it into the timeline. Now, right click on the video clip in the timeline and select speed or duration option. Here, you will see a box with speed settings. I'll explain you what it is. If you want to slow down your video, reduce the speed in terms of percentage. I usually do 50%. If in case you want, you can go even lower. If you want to speed it up, just increase it to more than 100%. You can use 200%, 300%, or even more. No one is stopping you. If your clip has audio, don't forget to check maintain audio pitch. This keeps your voice or sound natural even when the speed changes. Once you set the speed, click on OK and your clip will instantly become faster or slower. Now here is a quick bonus: how to play your video backward. Right click on the video clip, go to the speed or duration, then check reverse speed. Next click on OK, and that's it. Your video will now play in reverse mode. And that's how you change the speed of your video in Premiere Pro. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more Premiere Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.